This one is hot off the suggestion box at cupoflinux.com. That's the only place I look when I want show ideas. And today I'm bringing you the love child of Antics and Memphis. And this is the Debian-based distribution called MX. We're looking at that right now on Spadry's Cup of Linux. I have a special message for all the naysayers out there and people who have nothing better to do than to complain. Pause the video and read the covenant. When
my
you're
initial
done,
impression of the software.
we will proceed.
I will miss any elements.
This is my first time having a look at MX Linux. Al suggested this on the Cup of Linux forum in one of the threads. And you're right, I am long overdue for this one because I've never seen this before. I believe the M stands for Memphis and the X for Antics, if I'm not mistaken. This is a Debian-based distribution. Now, guys, all I did was install this, and then I ran updates on it, and that's it. I haven't looked at this at all. So you're experiencing this as I am. At the very same time. So far, I like what I see here because I did get a chance to do some previewing of this before. Okay, I'm seeing here that we are that we have a nice little conky display. It's very beautiful the way that it's set up and designed, and you get a nice little welcome message that, you know, standard stuff that most distributions have, some tools, a wiki. You know, read through the stuff. Good stuff here. Okay, and it looks like this is the Xfce Desktop environment. But when I downloaded this, I was thinking I was getting GNOME or Budgie because, you know, this is not set up in a conventional way. They decided to think outside the box a little bit. And so they get a big E for effort for being creative with this design. It's very nice indeed. Okay, and you're going to see that it's very quick and responsive too. I like it. This is also using the same icon set that I'm using on my own desktop. It's the Papyrus. I like how that looks. I like the theming with this as well. This looks very sleek, nicely designed. Okay, and we can go ahead and look in the menu, and it looks like they've got some of their own tools that they brought to the table here. When we go to MX Tools here, they have their own launcher for some of these items. Okay, let's take a look at one of them. All right, so it looks like they have a nice little utility here for managing users. Very nice. Okay. Oh, and look, it opens right back up so that you can go back and change something else if you want to. Manage your repositories, packages. All right. This is kind of cool. I like this. And what menu editor are they using? Okay, this looks different. This doesn't look like Menu Libre that I've seen on a lot of other distributions. Would have been nice if they had a little... Oh, they have a hide option here too. So, okay, that works. Awesome sauce. All right, so they've got a nice little menu editor thrown in here. Let's go ahead and close this. I love that. And then the menu opens back up again. They've got a cleanup utility. Wonder if this is like BleachBit. Okay. Similar in some ways. Okay, cool. And the menu keeps coming back until you close it. All right. This is some pretty good stuff here. All right. Let's see what else we got here. All right, and this little package lights up when you've got updates, and that was the first thing I did after I installed this. This is beautiful. I wonder if they did any special theming with Firefox. Okay, it doesn't look like they've, you know, added anything special. I know a lot of distributions will have their home page. They didn't do that with this. That's okay. That's certainly not a deal breaker. Let's see what other options. Okay, 2 desktops to switch from here. Little switcher here. Okay, you also have a utility for unmounting items. You can manage your power, volume, your Ethernet or network, a little clipboard thing here. All right, and you know, I love this whisker menu. I'm surprised they haven't ported this to other desktop environments, but it's good that Xfce has something that's good for them. All right, alrighty here. Let's go. It looks like the standard complement of accessories that you would come to expect with the Xfce Desktop. It's even got Midnight Commander File Manager. For those of you who like the traditional Encursis style. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, they've got a device mounter, an updater. Okay, so it looks like it has all the standard tools that the average distribution would normally throw in. Probably a little bit more stuff than I would want, because, you know, for me, I would want to have a distribution that, you know, I could pretty much cherry pick the applications that I want and put them in. For somebody who wants to try this out for the first time, this would be a great distribution. For somebody who's new and you want to give them a taste of Linux, and it looks like there's a bunch of games people can play on here. What else have we got? Some graphics tools. Okay, it's a GIMP. Image Magic. Okay, simple scan. Internet. All right, the standard complement here. All right, in multimedia, you get VLC with this. MPV is my favorite. All right, looks like we got some tools here. It looks like MX has made some things in-house. Oh, this is nice. So you have a nice little... you can manage your boot menu options. This is nice that they've got this built into that. So I can see why some people mentioned this to me, that this should be something I should take a look at, because it looks like they've got a lot of really nice tools here to make things convenient for people. And not only that, you know, it's based on the stable branch of Debian, and you can't go wrong with that at all. All the standard Xfce settings are here. System tools, and I want to take a look and see about their installer. Okay, now I looked at this too prior to shooting, and I thought this was very interesting the way they laid this out. You do have the option of using Synaptic, but it looks like they've got their own little package management utility right here. Okay. You can pick a category, choose the item you want, and then install it. Okay. And the first time I ran this gave me an option to either pull packages from the stable repos, or, you know, I could have picked the repo that I wanted to right here. They do have a testing repository available too, for those of you who want that. Okay. Let's say you want to use some backports. That option is available for you as well. And Flatpak functionality is included with this too. Gotta love it. Okay, so it looks like MX brings some interesting stuff to the table, that's for sure. But the only way to find out if this is going to be something that you would really like, maybe you should visit their website and nick a copy of this ISO and play with it. From what I can see, MX brings a solid desktop environment based on the Debian operating system. And interestingly enough, my old computer that I used to use to produce this show is running Debian on it, and it's been running for 3 solid weeks without a single reboot. Gotta love its stability. It's awesome. And Having Debian as a base should make MX a wonderful choice for many of you out there. I really like the way this is designed and laid out. It brings a lot of interesting elements to the table, and if you think this is something you might want to use, I suggest you visit the link in the description, download this, and try it out for yourself. If you have any ideas for the show, please be sure to visit yours truly at cupoflinux.com and drop your ideas in the suggestion box. That is the only place I will look when I need show ideas, and that is the only place where I will actually read the feedback. If you put it in the space below, maybe somebody might pass your message on to me, but I'm certainly not going to see it. I don't know what I'm going to do on my next episode, but I'm sure I'll have something equally exciting. So until then, peace out.